Hello everyone, this is Panda, and I'm going to show you in real time what Simple Mobile does when you're trying to use it during the day. So, let me unlock it, and let me log into my phone. And right now, let's close apps. Alright, and let's continue to watch a YouTube video. And as you can see, this is what it does. This is Simple Mobile, and this is their network, and this is what I have to deal with almost every single day. This is non-stop. This happens quite often. Once again, the last time this happened, well, every day, and the last time I uploaded a video like this was in Madison, Wisconsin, and the first time I was here in Portland. And you can see how slow it's booting up everything. This is what I'm paying $65 or $60 a month for with Simple Mobile. Isn't that unreal? Okay, close out an app. Let's go into another app. Let's go into my Instagram. It doesn't boot up, it doesn't load anything. See? It says that it's not connected. It can't refresh. That is what it's doing, and this is what it does every single time. This is during the day. Mind the time. The time now is 3:08, and this is what Simple Mobile does. Now you guys understand why I'm so frustrated with the service. Now you guys understand. This is it says it again. It's unreal. Simple Mobile. You got a lot of explaining to do to. You have a lot of explaining to explain to us customers. Why did you continue to hack us when the service is not even performing correctly during the day? I can't get this to work. It's awful. So awful. Not worth my time. Let's try to boot up email. Wow. Doesn't even want to boot up email. Are you kidding me? Okay. Let's see here. Let's do Twitter. Okay. Now we're getting somewhere. But you guys understand, like, this happens continuously every day. It works at 10 minutes. It works at one point, then it works another, then it stops working. And the best time it works is in the middle of the night, and no one's up in the middle of the night. Well, I am kind of working, but it leads me to that point to stay up at night to finish my work. So unfortunate. But with that said, everyone, this is Panda. Simple Mobile. It's not so simple, as I said before. With that said, everyone, this is my experience with Simple Mobile for the last 11 months.